Hi guys, I'm Sajid back again with another video, and today I'm going to talk about Java interfaces. Okay guys, what is the purpose of interfaces? In our last video we have studied the concept of abstraction, where we use the keyword abstract to hide some information or make some classes abstract which cannot be, like you can say, we cannot make object of them, and there can be methods which are regular or abstract in them, right? So here we have the similar concept. Another way to achieve abstraction in Java is known as, like, is with abstract interfaces. Okay, and an interface is completely abstract class that is used to group related methods with empty bodies. So as you know, in abstract, with abstract keywords, we had one abstract class, but it could have some methods which could be regular, right? But in an interface we cannot have like that. The class will be completely abstract. All methods will have empty bodies. There will be no definition to them. Okay, and further, to access the interface methods, the interface must be implemented, kind of like inherited by another class, with the implements keyword instead of extends. So extends, as you remember, is used with when you are extending one abstract class, but here we will not use extends, rather we will use implements when we will make a class from one interface. Okay, let's look at this example here. This will make things more clear. So here I have one interface called animal, and this interface has two methods. One method name is animal sound, and the other method is sleep. Now guys, I am implementing this interface by defining it like this: class pig implements animal. So public void animal sound. Now I'm giving it a body, system.out.println, the pig says wee wee, and then I am implementing the second method, giving it a body, system.out.println z. Okay, this kind of sound. So then I can make an object of this class which has implemented one interface, and then I can execute or call the methods in there. Okay, here we have our code, and just to make things more interesting, or just to refresh this execution, I have made a little change here, added some commas there, and this code is now executing, and then we have the output. So now you understand, we had one interface which is implemented by a class, and we make object of that class, and then we implement the methods in that class which are actually coming from which are actually present in the interface. We have defined their bodies and invoke those methods, call those methods, and now they are printing this output here. Okay, so I feel I expect you have understood this concept. So let's look some more details, notes on some interfaces. So it's better we read these lines. Like abstract classes, interfaces cannot be used to create objects. In the example above, it is not possible to create animal object in the my main class. As you know, this is very simple. We have seen it many times before. So interface methods do not have a body. The body is provided by the implement class, right? On implementation of an interface, you must override all of its methods. So this is different than what we were having abstract classes. Here we have to override all methods. Interface methods are by default abstract and public, right? Interface attributes are by default public, static, and final. An interface cannot contain a constructor as it cannot be used to create objects. So I think these all of these points almost we have seen in this video and in previous video, and things are clear to you. Okay, let's move forward, and here we have a little explanation why and when to use interfaces. So my students, to achieve security, hide certain details and only show the important details of an object or interface. Java does not support multiple inheritance, right? A class can only inherit from one superclass. However, it can be achieved with interfaces because the class can implement multiple interfaces. Note, to implement multiple interfaces, separate them with a comma. See example below. So let's look at this example here. What is in there? In this example, we have two interfaces. One interface is first interface with a method in there called public void my method. Second interface has another method, my other method. Now I am defining a class, demo class, which implements two interfaces, public, and then I'm giving a body to these two methods, my method, my other method. And then in the main class, this is my second class, and then I have two interfaces in this small program. And then I am making an object demo class. My object is equal to new demo class. My object dot method, my object dot my other method. So I am calling these two methods, these one, with the help of the object. So let's look at the code with execution. Okay, here we are saying for demo class main method, some text, right, in my method, and then we have implemented the second method, some other text in my other method, right? So let's execute this code and see the output. Okay, now we have this output here. Okay, and it has printed out these two statements. So I hope, and that's the end of our topic today. I hope you have fully understood the concept of interfaces in Java, and this is an important concept, and please focus on it. Do some practice at home, and make some interfaces, implement the methods in them, and then see the results. So okay guys, I hope this video has been informative for you. You learned some new concept today in this video. Please, as I always say, if you want to know anything, please comment in the comment section below, and please share this video to other friends and colleagues, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another video very soon. Take care, bye bye, and Allah Hafiz.